Hello students, hope you're having a joyful learning. Today we'll continue with the class 6 science chapter, that is fiber to fabric. In the previous class we studied what is a fiber and how did the clothing come into existence. Today we'll be studying the types of fibers. Fibers can occur naturally or be man-made. Here, from where we get the fiber, that is the source. That is, we have two sources. One is the natural and the other is man-made or artificial fiber. In natural, you get it from plants or animals. And man-made is made chemically in factories. Now, natural fibers are cotton, jute, coir, silk, wool. Okay, these are the different types of natural fibers. That means you get these from plants or animals. The different types of synthetic fibers which are made in the factories can be nylon, polyester, etc. These are the two types of fibers, that is natural fiber and synthetic fiber. From natural fiber, I told you two types, that is plant fiber and animal fiber. In plant fiber, means from plants what you get is cotton. You get a leaf fiber, that is from pineapple and sisal. Bast fiber, that is flax and hemp. And fruit, that is coir. In further we'll be studying what are actually these things. Okay. In animal fiber you get wool, you get feather, you get they make fiber even from some hair, that is like sheep hair, that is nothing but wool, and also silk from silkworms. This was about the two types of fibers, that is plant fiber and what different types are there in plants and different types of animal fiber. In order to make that fiber or a fabric, there are different processes involved. One of them is spinning. Here what happens in spinning is fibers are converted into yarns. Yarn is nothing but a thread. So when you take the fiber from the plant or an animal, you have to convert it into thread in order to make it a fabric later. So for that you have to do the spinning. Spinning is a process in which fibers are twisted to produce continuous threads. Twisted in the sense right? You have to just move it. That is nothing but twisting. So how is this done? There is a small instrument called as takli, which is used to make the yarn. Also the charka, which was popularized by the father of our nation, that is Mr. Mahatma Gandhi ji. He popularized this charka in order to bring about awareness among people to make their own cloth, like use locally, because at that time what the British government was doing, they were importing the fibers from their country and selling it in our country. So what he told is that you make it on your own, you don't have to buy it from them. So buy local that way, like how we have to do now also. Yes, you have to encourage local goods. And now it's also done on machines which are called as spinning machines. So this is about spinning, one way of making the yarn. Next is weaving and knitting. To make a fabric you have to use this method also, that is weaving and knitting. To make this yarn into a fabric, these two methods are used. In weaving, two sets of yarn are interlaced at right angles. Right angles in the sense like an L. What forms an L? That is nothing but a right angle. It is done on a device called loom. What is knitting? You can see in the picture alongside here how a person is making loops and interconnecting them. It is a process of interlacing threads to form connected loops. It is done using long needles. Okay, these are the two methods of how a yarn is made into a fabric. Hope that's clear to you. Thank you. We'll continue in the next class.